can we have?
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay here. Watch out. Jay, I say you can't start without me.
Alright.
Alright guys, in this video we're going to be making some Jamaican Christmas cake, aka fruit cake, aka black cake. What other aka?
Jamaican cake.
Alright, we're making some Jamaican Christmas cake, guys. Siobhan is the baker in this video, so I am gonna be Javon and I.
Javon is the baker.
Javon is
right?
Chef Jave.
Baker Jebe.
This is gonna be Baker Jave in the video, and
Guys, babes, I try standardize the thing. You can't standardize fruit cake. You have to just make.
Mommy, what do you mean? I was just trying to get a recipe to follow, but he just wants to make it from the heart. So I'm just learning to just go with the flow.
Listen to the professional. I've done it at least twice before.
And he's a pro. Okay, he's done it twice.
I'm Jamaican.
He's a pro.
Just need to do one.
We need the right to make them.
No, we don't need
No, we don't need little bites. Maybe the recipe online that your mother find, but not this recipe. You don't need that. Next one.
Alright guys, we're gonna get started in the video. So before we get started, please remember to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a friendly comment. Alright, let's go. Alright, go for the no
I
chef.
cracked 6 eggs. So guys, we can't tell the other recipe, but we're gonna make a 2-pound cake. So we're gonna need around 6 eggs.
Just a whole egg and do egg white or egg yolk. Whole egg?
Whole egg.
Whole egg, okay.
Just take out the white.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. So just watch. Yeah, you take out the eye. Sorry.
Damn.
That's what you meant?
Oh, yeah.
Get down. You're under it. I don't want to touch you.
So Shannon, why never take out the eye one by one? No, me I forget to get this.
You want me to do it? I'll gladly do it.
Yeah.
Then have some butter.
Alright guys, so Siobhan cracked the 6 eggs, and you know the eggs are having the little white eye, as so we call it. So we just take out that so that it eliminate the rawness out of the cake. So while Siobhan do that, what should I do, chef?
Alright, so guys, so we need some butter. So we use unsalted butter. It's baking. And we're going to blend up that, or we're going to beat up that with some sugar. So now this is a 2-pound cake. So we're going to start off with 2 pounds of sugar. No, you're not going to be.
Real quiet. Alright guys, so while Siobhan took out the eye out of the egg, it instructed me to combine 2 pounds of sugar to 2 pounds of butter. What's up, girl?
Alright guys, so while Janina beat up the butter and the sugar, we're going to blend up some fruit, so we have a soak for like a year now. So I'll put that in the blender and sort that out. But you don't want to do it too fine. See fruits are guys, rich. 1 year worth of soap. How it smell?
Smell rich, real rich.
Smell richer than rich.
Guys, let me show you.
Yeah.
This is how the butter and sugar is looking so far. You know, want cream some more?
Fluffy.
We're going to cream up the butter and the sugar.
Yes.
Alright guys, I'm going to put in the eggs right now. Got the lime.
How much vanilla do you use? To taste?
If I go add vanilla to taste, Chevron, if the vanilla sauce too, just add to taste, man. After you mix it, do a little more vanilla you throw in there. You have to know, if you're going down.
Right. Guys, we're done.
But you see, you want something more you do that mix. The egg, the sugar and the butter, that done?
Yeah, egg, sugar, butter, lime juice, lemon zest. So now I go over to my dry ingredients.
Alright, you're going to see the flour now.
So 2 pounds of flour equal how much cup? I will go to like.
How much I cup? How much I cup? Suppose a half pound cup. You're going to use 4.
Mommy, how about rose water? No?
Maybe we can preheat the oven. Now wait oven for the oven. Sitting in the oven. Wait oven for God.
That we don't know now. You have to go find out that.
Alright guys, this is how the mixture is looking. So I believe the last thing you guys saw, I was just sifting the dry ingredients. I just did flour, a little bit of salt, cinnamon, nutmeg. There was cardamom and ginger powder. And now we did pour in the fruit mixture that Siobhan had blended. And now we're adding in the flour slowly. So this is where we're at, guys. It's looking good and it's smelling good. Like, can't wait to taste this. Yeah, roast cake and not the carriage.
Mommy just want to see if we might tell you.
Who is this? Where's she going? Hello, ma'ams? Ma'ams, are you a baker? Jalen?
Yes, spoon.
This?
Okay. Don't make the part of the white part, yeah?
Wait up, yes, sir.
It's so good.
Round, top halfway and cut and straight across. Round. Come around. Come on, son. Good, so. Cut in half. And then fold it. Cut away. Round. Cut in half.
Round,
You don't know half.
cut in half,
And go round back.
and then go
No!
round. Then
Continuous
go
so.
round. Same direction all the
Yes,
time.
if you go the other way,
Yeah,
you
and
undo.
fold it.
Just have to demonstrate.
No, not tight.
Look tight, yes?
No, if you use it, it's something that.
An extra down, look tight. Why look? Hold you.
It even not go in
Mommy, me
the,
ask you how you look.
the texture, not the color.
Tell us how you thick, bro. Total that.
But
Total sucker. I'm broke. You was right there, no man. See, man, I tell you.
moisture. Yeah, well, I'm not sure again.
Why you left this in this one?
Baker.
Yeah, but let's stand this.
Guys, so the mixture over there, so we add a little bit more of the fruits and stuff just to spice it up some more. Guys, I'm sorry for you guys because you're not able to get any because this is so good already. Just the smell of it, I know this is going to be delicious.
Tomorrow, your job to buy one more of this, is it?
My job? Alright. We got that over key foods.
Yeah. Probably out. Too. Wait. Robot. And I did detangle. Anyways. Browning done. So one.
Remember when the fire you kept you in the oven, kept running like all the fire.
I think this is good. Unless one more left.
That look rich. Real rich. Rich. Real rich. Rich. Real rich. Rich. Real rich. I can show you it. Those are like the cake. You know, you slice.
Sister.
Very good.
See, test the more you say you want. How much cup we have to go?
But jelly
Can't
mood,
go
like you
for more,
are.
man. That's about 3 cup. Yeah, this good.
Okay, I'm not in the little pan.
Wait. Take up.
Just do your thing, man.
Mommy, which part does it belongs to? Let's see the win by default.
Bun this, no?
I see it matches.
But like cake.
You can see the tiny tuna so that I mashed for me.
Alright, let go of that. This
Put this.
don't put nice sink bowl.
Because it's something about bigs.
This. Like it?
Yes, come on, look what the pressure is getting worse.
I never seen nobody carry the pot then, it's okay.
So I said, let me get this now.
You put on my left in there if it's passable. You know, licking it there. Throw me that bag.
You like cake and jelly? Guys, look at these. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, off topic, guys. I didn't show you that we were drawing some sorrel. Look at sorrel there, so. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So I want to look at tester for the night tonight.
The
Yep.
night is still young.
Looking good, guys. Looking good.
Top shelf or bottom shelf?
Daddy, I can't hear the TV.
Alright, guys, this is how the cake is looking. Beautiful, rich color. You know, we test all of them. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait to dig in. Babes, I want to taste a tester. You ready? Tester ready, you know? Looking beautiful. Guys, the cake look good, smell good. Way later at night now, it done bake. It's basically midnight right now. I'm about to taste a little piece. This is how it's looking. Let me show you. It tastes real good.